Hey guys, welcome to Wedding YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. As you can see by the title, today I think it's going to be a shorter video. I wanted to show you guys what I did for my bridesmaid proposal box, and I wanted to link everything for you guys in case you do want to make it just like me. And I also had some tips and tricks for you to make it cheaper if you do have a smaller budget or you have a huge bridal party. And then I also wanted to do something a little bit fun. I'm actually meeting up with my best friend for brunch today. She has no idea that I'm filming. Actually, she does. I told her I was filming like a day in my life vlog, and so I wanted her to be in it because I do want her to be camera ready if, you know, I want her to be comfortable being on camera and knowing she's gonna be on camera, but she has no idea that I'm actually gonna ask her to be my maid of honor. So I'm very excited. I will vlog that so that you guys can see their reaction if you guys are interested. But yeah, let's get into it. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become a part of my bride squad. Let's get into it. By the way, this is the fit, the brunch fit. Okay guys, so I brought up the Etsy shop that I actually shop for because I did want to support smaller businesses, and I will also tell you how much everything was so that I can be helpful. I want to be fully transparent. Now really quickly, I just want to say I'm only having a maid of honor and a best man. We're not going to have a full bridal party, so I tried to add a little bit extra into my maid of honors box. I know that it gets very expensive if you have 10 bridesmaids, so I did want to tell you guys at the end of the video things that I saw that I think will help you save money. So I actually shopped from a shop on Etsy called Juno Co Designs. This is what their page looks like. Like I said, I will link everything directly down below. I asked them if they have a coupon code for you guys, but they haven't gotten back to me. If they do get back to me by the time I post this video, I will put it down below, but everything's pretty affordable. So let me show you guys the actual box. So my maid of honor's name is Paulina. I was actually able to customize this, so I was able to pick the border, the size of the box, and then if it said bridesmaid, matron of honor, maid of honor, and then of course the name, and if I wanted it in gold, rose gold, or anything like that. So I went ahead and got this one. As you can see, it is a cardboard box. And this box was actually very affordable. I only paid $4.55 for it. It's actually 30% off, but even when it's full price, it's only $6.50. They do have different sizes. I went ahead and got the 8x8x4. So that's what that one looks like. And they have so many, here I'll show you guys. They have so many different, by the way, this is not sponsored or anything like that. I just want to support a business. They have so many different flowers that you could choose from. I chose those flower print because it looked a lot like my wedding colors. So now let me show you guys the inside of the box. So you just open it like this. And I will say this is a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but it still fit everything that I wanted. So let me finish off this Etsy shop and show you guys everything I got from there, and then I'll show you guys everything else. So I went ahead and got this little mirror compact. As you can see, again, it has a P for Paulina, and they offer it in gold, silver, and rose gold. I did the gold, and it's a little magnifier and a regular little mirror. I thought she would like this. I wanted to get her something that she would actually be using. This little mirror cost $8.45. It is 25% off, but the full price is $11.27. And I really like it. It's very sturdy, and I think she's gonna love this. The next thing that I got her is actually, is this mug. Okay, so it says best friends. This is me and this is her, and this is Vianney and Paulina. And then on the other side, it says, what does it say? I can't say I do without you. Will you be my maid of honor? And as you can see, this actually matches the flowers on the box. They do have a lot of designs that you can mix and match. This was super cute, and there are so many different things you could do with it. I actually got one for my mom. See how many different things you could do? This one I got for my mom, and you get to pick the flowers and the little girls and stuff. And this one actually says Mother of the Bride. So I loved it so much that I had to get one for my mom as well. Okay, so this mug cost $11.77. It is on sale again, but full price is $15.69. And again, you do get to choose literally like everything from the outfit and the hair and everything like that. I ended up purchasing from that shop everything because you do get free shipping with a $35 minimum purchase. And then lastly, I did go ahead and get her a little bottle of rosé. I literally just got this at HEB. I'm sure like most grocery stores have like really small bottles of champagne, or if you want to do like tequila or anything like that. I really like this. And I just put a little bit of this in here to make it really cute. So let me give you guys the total of what I paid. So without my mom's mug, I paid a total of about $37. Actually, no. $27. So, you know, that obviously was a really good price for me because I'm only doing one box, but I understand if you have like 4 to 10 bridesmaids, that adds up very quickly. A tip that I have for you guys, my best friend Lena, I'm actually one of her bridesmaids, and she got us a bottle of champagne or rosé, I think that says Bridesmaid. Those can get kind of expensive if you buy a lot of them. So something that I saw is they actually will sell stickers that you can buy and you can customize, and they're very cheap because they're literally just stickers, and they're like the size of labels. So you can literally just buy this at HEB or at your grocery store and then put that label over it, and then that way you're not paying for a customized bottle. You could even put their actual names, not just Bridesmaids, on the stickers. I will link some of the stickers down below from actually the same Etsy shop, and you can add that here. You could also do the same thing with the boxes. You could literally just buy a bunch of white cardboard boxes at the dollar store and just get the stickers because they do sell them, and you can, there's so many ways you could customize things without actually paying for them to get customized. And then another tip that I have for you guys is you don't have to get everyone's name on everything. You could literally just buy bridesmaid things. In a lot of these Etsy shops, they actually give you discounts for purchasing multiple items. They know that you could possibly be buying for a big party, and so they're willing to give you a discount for 5 or more. So I will link some of the Etsy shops down below. I will of course link everything that I bought, but I will show you guys some Etsy shops that I found. And then lastly, I did want to show you guys, I actually got this from Amazon. I wanted to get a card so I could like write down everything, and this little card, it actually says, it says, "Now act surprised like you had no idea this was coming." It's just a cardboard card, and it is empty in here. So I just wrote what I wanted to say, and it does come with an envelope. I did buy this on Amazon again, so I can link this down below if you guys like what it says. I thought it was cute because obviously Lena knows, her name's Paulina, but we call her Lena. She knows that she's gonna be my maid of honor. She just, I don't think she like realizes that I'm gonna ask her. I'm usually not this extra with things like this, but I know it'll mean a lot to her, which is why I wanna do it. Yeah, if you guys want, I can also link down below some best man things. Wyatt and I have been looking around for things we could do for my brother. So I can link some of the Etsy shops for the best man and groomsman kind of deal.
Hey guys, it's Editing V&A. This video was filmed a couple weeks ago or a month ago. I just wanted to show you guys, if you guys are interested, my brother was our best man. It's actually my fiance's best friend. And so this is what we got him. I know this is a bridesmaid video, but if you guys were wondering how to make, you know, a best man or a groomsman box that a guy would like, you know, this is what we got, and it was like a whiskey bottle with a personalized tag. We put a cigar in there and then a couple treats, some moonshine, a rum cake. So this is a way to make a box proposal for a man, like something that I personally think they would like, and my brother actually loved it. So anyways, just thought I would show you guys if you needed some inspo.
Yeah, I hope that this video is helpful. I know it's kind of short and sweet, but I did want to document my proposal to my best friend and show you guys what I got. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and go to brunch. I'm gonna pretend like everything's chill. I'm gonna put this box in like a bag, but as soon as she sees me, she's gonna know. So I'm gonna keep my camera on just to see her reaction. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy this short video and come with me to brunch and come meet my best friend. I'm gonna stoplight and I'm running kind of late, but I just wanted to tell you guys that we are gonna be eating at True Food Kitchen. I've actually have never eaten there, but the reason why we're eating there is because it's supposed to be really healthy and we're both on that bridal diet. But yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, please comment down below ideas that you have or that you've done with your proposal boxes. I would love to like give each other advice on things we could do. Hi baby, how are you?
Did you end up parking in the garage?
I was literally already here and I just didn't see the sign.
Okay.
I brought you a little present.
Are you recording right now?
Yes.
Is this what I think it is?
Yes.
I ordered a samosa.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Oh my god.
So I'm totally doing a video about proposal boxes. That's what I'm doing.
Oh my god. It's a yes.
Yeah?
Absolutely. Oh my god.
She said yes.
Oh my god, are you gonna make me cry? Can I
No.
read this right
Maybe. I don't know.
now? You said maybe.
Look how cute.
Oh my god.
Look at the back of it. Ah! Isn't that so cute?
I kind of knew. I was like, I'm
Don't.
gonna ask you.
You knew? Dang it. Was it obvious?
No. Oh my gosh, dude. Etsy, huh?
I almost did an L, but I remembered P. Okay?
It's like a lot. That's why I don't get initials on my L. Oh my god. Now act surprised like you had no idea this was coming.
She said yes.
I said yes.
Cheers. Yay, now we're both each other's bridesmaids. She's a maid of honor. Alright, so I got the spaghetti squash casserole.
Ooh, that is hot.
Lena got the, what is it? The lasagna bolognese.
Yeah.
Bolognese.
How do you say it? You say it right.
Lasagna bolognese. And all these are such low calorie, guys. If you're on a diet, True Food Kitchen. Hey guys, I'm at a stoplight. I did want to tell you guys that I left brunch, and that is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It's probably going to be a pretty short video. I hope it was helpful and again a little personal. I really do want to have you guys get to know me through these videos and get to know important people in my life. And obviously today you guys met my best friend. You will see more of her in the rest of the videos. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next. Make sure to turn on your post notifications that you don't miss any of these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. By the way, there's someone next to me watching me, and I don't even care because I have no shame in my vlogging game.